Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today, we're taking a closer look at MoneyLion, a platform designed to help you take control of your finances. Located at www.moneylion.com, MoneyLion offers a suite of financial tools and services all within a single, convenient app. This comprehensive platform aims to empower users to manage their money effectively, from budgeting and investing to borrowing and building credit. Whether you're looking to consolidate debt, start investing, or simply gain a clearer picture of your financial health, MoneyLion provides a variety of options to explore. Their services encompass several key areas, making it a one-stop shop for many financial needs. MoneyLion offers personal loans, which can be a helpful tool for debt consolidation or covering unexpected expenses. Additionally, they provide a platform for investing, allowing users to dip their toes into the market and potentially grow their wealth. Furthermore, MoneyLion emphasizes credit-building resources. They understand the importance of a healthy credit score and offer various tools and guidance to help users improve their creditworthiness. This can be particularly beneficial for those new to credit or those looking to rebuild after financial challenges. The platform also provides access to cash advances, which can be a useful resource in a pinch, although it's crucial to understand the terms and fees associated with such services. With its user-friendly interface and comprehensive offerings, MoneyLion seeks to simplify personal finance. Their goal is to put you in the driver's seat, providing the resources and information you need to make informed decisions about your money. However, like any financial platform, it's essential to do your own research and carefully consider the specific terms and conditions of any product or service before making a commitment. Exploring their website at www.moneylion.com is a great starting point for learning more about the platform and the tools it offers. Remember to manage your finances responsibly and choose the options that best align with your individual financial goals.